All right, last one.
Last one. Using water as a shield to put out fire. Shield to put out fire. Okay.
Yeah. So at first, this clip, you don't really know what's creating the fire. It's actually a gas tank that's just vertical, and it's like pushing out the fire. So,
okay.
For anyone who
go ahead
is curious.
Oh, I see what they mean by shield.
Well, he can get closer to it. Oh my god.
Oh wow, it is really like a shield.
Yeah, that's cool, eh?
Whoa.
And you just twist the knob.
Well, this is a very specific use case.
Yeah.
If you happen upon a canister that's burning openly like that.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And it still requires some nice technique, some fire hose technique.
Yeah, he's going off to the side a little bit.
And he's feeling heat, and he's still got all the gear on, which is key.
Mm-hmm.
But the water certainly made his life a lot easier.
When he switches
it's literally
into
a shield.
You guys ever held a fire hose before when it's actually going?
Not when it's going.
If you notice the way he has to handle it, it's so much pressure that it's like, feel like you're wrangling an animal.
Right.
And so it's kind of tough to be precise. But yeah,
And it's not something that he can extinguish with the hose. So he actually uses the water to.
Well, I actually think
field.
if he hit the canister with the full force of the hose without
It would
the
knock it
spray,
over.
yeah, exactly, he'd have a bigger problem. It'd be rolling around.
Yeah.
So he had to hit it with a very specific type of approach, which he did.
Yeah.
And somebody says holding a fire hose is like riding an anaconda. It's kind of feel like that for a moment. I mean,
Yeah.
anacondas,
You'd imagine.
a little scarier, but. Wasn't there a movie, Anaconda? I remember the movie Anaconda came out, and I was like, this snake's that big? I was a kid. Because I had to look it up, I feel like.
Right.
Because it came out with a movie, Anaconda, and it looked like a giant snake. And you're like, is this a real one? Go, let's just get a size on Anaconda real quick. On the way out of here. Just a little update, we need to get to the bottom of it,
Ice Cube.
Size comparison, okay. Yeah. All right. So listen, you got to look that up because you just can't even believe it. You're like, what is that?
That's 10 men.
Yeah. Go to that chart of different snakes compared. What?
I don't want to see any of these snakes.
So the green anaconda is the third one down, but look at Titanoboa.
Get out of here.
Get out. Oh, you're not a big snake guy.
I actually like snakes, but this is too big.
Oh, you like the smaller snakes.
Yeah.
The little ones. The little cute ones. So if you go to those reptile places and they go with the large boa and they put it on your shoulders, you don't like?
No, those ones are reasonable.
You like.
I don't. I like. Yeah.
They put it on most like, I like. They're like, somebody take that off real quick. I like. Snakes are weird. Like, it's one of the few animals that people try to wear.
Right, like on stage.
Like, remember that Britney Spears moment, the live performance? You just got a snake on. I guess you can have a snake on, or you can have a parrot on your shoulder as a pirate.
Or like a monkey.
Is he going to stay put?
He's not going to stay put.
He's not going to stay put. No. I guess the snake, you got to kind of keep working with it as well.
Right.
Because it's going it's constantly going like that, and you ever think about how frustrating it is to be a snake pet? Like,
to be the snake?
You're constantly going a direction, and somebody just restarts you, and then you go again, and then they restart, and then you go again, and then they restart.
It just seems silly to do that to begin with, like a moving scarf.
That's right. That's right. That's constantly trying to escape.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you to everybody who joined today. Thank you to everybody in the chat. Thank you to everybody for the super chats, whoever was capable of leaving one. Thank you to Mo and to Will for making CNN Plus possible. In the absence of the actual CNN Plus, this is a totally different version. It's the version you asked for. It's the version you love. Lovely day. Lovely remainder of the week ahead. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.